85 Pilot with you on a Saturday morning, just doing a hangar cleanup and then getting ready to do some more prep work before the air show. What I'm working on today is this inspection plate that's going to fit over where that wing root fairing is. And you do recall I had the difficulty with the rack and pinion in there, and actually I didn't talk about it on the other video. The roll pin inside of that assembly actually sheared. I had to clean that out and put a new press pin in. Got a nice strong spring pin and replaced in there, and safety wire tied it. And now what I'm doing is measuring and making the backing pieces for this inspection plate, and I've got them clamped in right now, and I'm going to start measuring, drilling the rivet holes and then the holes for the plate itself, and then try to get a nice conforming assembly for here. You can see I've got the doublers formed, and I'm working on getting the door itself formed into place there, and you can see it's a bit of a task. The tight fit to get around these clecos, and then I have to shape this in such a way, because I didn't want to come in all the way on those edges there. I wanted to leave enough room I could get in there and inspect and get my hands in there if I need to, especially if I have to replace another one of those roll pins. So I've got the parts laid out for my final dimple die-in and prepping for doing the Pro Seal. But the other thing I've done, I've taken these the Aileron tips with the counterweights. I'm getting ready to clean those, and we're going to rivet those on as well, so that my wings are nearing completion. After I get that job done, I'll be able to then start messing with the wing tips. Turns out to be a successful day of work on the plane. The Aileron tips are now Pro Sealed and riveted on, and you recall earlier I had the mod I did with using the countersunk screws where the flap hinge attachment point is, so that if I need to, I can actually pull the ailerons, pull the wings off, pull the flaps off, all separate, to inspect. This inspection panel I designed and built for the wing root fairing came out better than expected. Nice smooth contour to it, so I was able to get the kind of fit and finish that I was hoping for. And so now with both wing tips are ready, I can go to work on the actual plastic wing tip, mounting the strobes and the landing lights. I'll work on that tomorrow. And you recall how Mauricio did these carbon fiber covered control stick and handles for me. But now with everything together, it's working. Now we can see how everything works. See that I have the normal play that I'm supposed to have, and those flaps also, they go down as advertised. So I'm very happy with this sleek looking bird and how it's coming together for the air show. Propeller's supposed to be here on Monday, so I'm going to go ahead and bolt that on so that when it's on display, you'll be able to see what it looks like. So if you're coming out to the Oregon International Air Show, please do. We're going to have a great show, and I had some videos I did on my personal page of the ospreys flying today. 85 Pilot.